Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install application or APK in BlueStacks apps player. So here, if you first time use this BlueStacks app player, for example, I download this BlueStacks 5 from BlueStacks official website. You can also get this BlueStacks 5 for free and install into your system. So here I made this video for dummies or the first time use this app, and don't confuse how you can install the game, how you can get the game, the Android game especially here. And in order to do that, you can access the BlueStacks store. This is the first method. So this is the BlueStacks store exclusive. You can download directly from the store. And also if you click my games, so here this is your list of your games will be in here. And also if you click collection, this is the filtered by categories. And also there's a BlueStacks exclusive, so there is in-game purchases that you can purchase by use this no bucks. So no bucks can give you discounts, so you can try to collect this no bucks or this currency of BlueStacks whenever you try to purchase the in-game shop, for example. So this is the BlueStacks exclusive games. And also for example, if you click this a Rise of Kingdom, so just there is install from Google Play, so you cannot install from this BlueStacks store. So you will directly jump into this one, Play Store. So there's a Play Store here. It means you have to log in into your Google account. So here you can directly install from Play Store in BlueStacks also. So make sure your game not banned. For example, some users or mostly users get banned because of the server of for example, Call of Duty Mobile will ban you if you use emulator, if you use BlueStacks. So here you need to find out, learn about the game first. Is it compatible with BlueStacks or not before you install the game. And also you can try to install the game from other sources. For example, you just download the game via a browser, from your Google Chrome. Download from a trusted source, of course. And you can try to find the application. Here you can click APK. There is a beside toolbar here. There is a APK icon. Just click it. Now you can install from this APK tool from the BlueStacks app player. So you can try to find APK type of files or XAPK type of files. Just try to open and will install automatically. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click this button below. See you in the next video.